Okay, now we're going to look at pyramids. We talked about pyramids last unit. The difference between a prism and a pyramid is that a pyramid has only one base. The sides are triangles and they meet at what's called the apex. Okay. Notice they have one base versus two. So again, we're going to look at nets. This is a triangular pyramid. This would be the base, and these would be the sides. So it has one base, three lateral faces. That will be triangles. Our next pyramid is a pentagonal. That means that it has a five-sided base and would have five lateral sides. Again, they are triangles. Okay. To find the surface area of a pyramid, it's very similar to a prism. You find the area of the base, the total area of the lateral sides, which in this case are always going to be triangles, and you add them up together. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. B is the base, H is the height of the triangle. Now, with a pyramid, we have also the height of the going up the side of the pyramid. Okay? And that's going to be called the slant height. This is the slant height. It is on the triangular sides. Okay, so to make sure we don't get that confused, we're going to use cursive lowercase l. All right, and for this, I'm going to go just straight into the formula instead of adding up the individual sides. So let's look at example 6. We have a triangular pyramid. So we need to find the area of the base. Since it is a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. Here's the base, here's the height. 1/2 6 times 5.2, which gives us 15.6. Okay. Again, the perimeter is the perimeter of the base. We've got 3 sides that are 6 centimeters. So this is a regular triangle, so we're going to have 3 sides times 6, which gives us 18. And then the slant height is the height of the triangles that make up the sides. So this is the slant height, which is 8. And now we plug it in our formula. Surface area equals the area of the base plus 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. And when you plug that in your calculator, you will get 87.6. Whoops, that should be millimeters, not centimeters. Millimeter squared to the nearest 10. Example 7, we have a square pyramid because the base is a square. So again, calculate the base. Since this is a square, it is the length of the side squared, which is 9. Our perimeter, we have 4 sides, each measuring 3, so we get 12. And then our slant height is given to us as 4. So now we plug it in the formula. Surface area, area of one base plus 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. This adds up to 33, and this would be meters squared. Our last example, we have a rectangular prism. Okay, so again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the area of the base. Because it is a rectangle, it is base times height, length times width, but it's going to be 33 times 14, which equals 462. Our perimeter is going to be 2 times 33 plus 2 times 14, which gives us 94. And our slant height is given as 24. Surface area equals the area of one base plus 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. And you get 1,590. There's no units, so we're going to put U in squared.